About to rip you a new fucking asshole. I'm not fucking. Ooh, I almost tripped over my dumbbell. I'm not fucking playing with you. I'm about to rip you a new asshole. You guys know that we don't do introductions because you guys should just know who I am. I'm your favorite content creator, household name, a sold out tour artist, a fashion designer, all the motherfucking things. Ways to work with me are down below. Iconic Healing Masterclass will teach you how to make a sexy, magical morning routine that you can do every single day, that you should do every single day, because now that you have discipline after seeing this video, because did you forget, I'm going to rip you a new asshole. I'm going to ream you a new fucking asshole. And having a sexy ass morning routine will definitely help you attract better. So if you do this every single day, you are going to attract a better fucking life. And point blank period. Now, tarot readings down below. Pitching down below. I don't want to make this video too fucking long. I just want to fucking rip you a new fucking asshole. I don't even know where this video is going. I just heard that title and I was like, I wanted to fucking use that title. Spirit, let's rip the new fucking asshole with love, respectfully. What does that mean, Spirit? I'm definitely feeling it has something to do with discipline. Okay, baby? Discipline. Your lack of discipline is why you don't have your fucking dream life. I'm going to tell you how it is. And partially, mostly, I'm going to be yelling at myself and take whatever resonates and leave what doesn't, because my God, something's coming through right now where it feels like the people that are watching this, myself included, because I was ripping and reaming myself a new fucking asshole. I was like, you know what? I want to rip him and ream him a new fucking asshole. Fucking, he thinks he can play with me and play with my time. And then I was like, I need to use this. I'm going to rip you a new asshole as a fucking title. And I really do think we need more discipline. And this is how I've been kind of feeling as of lately, you know, just kind of ambitious, but like lazy at the same fucking time, which I know for me at least, that comes from, why can't I think of the word? Self-sabotage, right? I feel like I don't have energy, because what's the point of even fucking trying? What's the point of making TikTok videos? The older version of me would have thought that, what's the point of making TikTok videos? No one's going to see them. They're not going to go viral. The older version of me chased virality to get validation, because I don't feel obviously validated within myself. And I'm also realizing I have this uncomfortable energy with boredom and the mundane. So like, let's say if I don't have clients that day and the videos are uploaded, the TikToks are filmed, the reels are posted, and none of my friends are around, and let's just say it's a relaxing day, there's nothing that I really need to work on or feel inspired to do, like I should be okay with like just chillaxing, watching Real Housewives of NYC while I affirm and visualize, right? But I'm just realizing also I have shame for myself whenever I have those moments of downtime, feeling like I fucking need to do something, you know? So it's just a kind of a weird fucking battle in my head right now. But again, this video is gonna rip and ream us a new asshole. We need to have discipline. This is a hard pill to swallow right now, but it's the truth. We went around, I'm 25 years old, so we'll just use that as an example. I've went around, you've went around for 25 X amount of fucking years, right? Really going around saying that you're ugly, you're broke, you're fat, you're a loser, you're worthless, you're untalented, or whatever other that like specific limiting beliefs kind of stem from that. I kind of think of, I always got this visual of limiting beliefs being more of like a tree. You can see them. So we have the tree trunk, right? Which can kind of be like the whole belief of I don't feel worthy. But then the other branches, maybe it's the fear of rejection. I don't feel worthy because my dad left me. That's a branch. I don't feel worthy specifically because I'm fat and gay. That's another branch. Like we all have like maybe more generic fundamental beliefs, whether they're limiting or whether they help us. But from there, they all branch out into more specific limiting beliefs in this case. So we kept repeating that negative story. We kept living in that negative identity. Again, the version of us that thought we were fat, a loser. For me, a raging homo. And because I was hit for being gay and bullied for being gay, that came down to, that translated to my existence in itself was unsafe, because it was not something that I could change. So there must be something innately wrong with me and just my existence and the fact that I'm breathing. So that's why I have like this dark, I wouldn't say it's dark now. It feels more like gray, like it's starting to clear. That's why I kind of feel like I have this grayish cloud still kind of over me and I know you guys say you love my energy, but that's at least how I see it within myself. I know that because I'm the one that sits with me and I'm the one that meditates, I'm the one that dissects my limiting beliefs. I know my problems, and I love and appreciate the compliments of the energy. Oh my God, I love your energy, or the compliments in general. But I know that I still have work to do to kind of bridge the gap between who I am right now and who I want to be, right? I know the iconic version of me that has tours and a book deal that just came to me in my mind. Maybe another, some would say, delusional manifestation I have is opening up a few gyms, being on reality TV, having my own reality TV show. That version of me I know is like, I can envision him, and his skin is glowing, right? So I need to get on a skincare routine. His body is like, there isn't a specific type of body he has. I'm realizing that it's more of an emotion he has, where he feels so fucking good, sexy, and comfortable and happy with the progress he's made and where he's at in his body. You know, I got a comment on one of my videos, older video, where it's like, you can have abs, don't limit yourself. And I totally get that. But I think what I'm craving right now is more of acceptance and happiness within the way that I look, and go to the gym because it helps me mentally, it helps me transmute and alchemize, and just hopefully, you know, with discipline, your physique changes, but really just focusing on how it makes me feel, right? Yes, my future self, he doesn't really have like a dream body. You know, he's the belly, the muffin top isn't there, but he doesn't necessarily have abs. So what's sticking out to me is the feeling he feels. And, you know, he's dressing well. He has a smile, which is something that I'm also really working towards, because yes, I smile in my videos because it's my passion, it lights me up, but like, I also, through awareness, right? You need to have awareness. This is another thing I'm gonna rip your asshole about, and ream you a new asshole and rip you a new asshole about. It's awareness. So I'm able to kind of become aware, and sometimes I feel like, ooh, why do I feel like this? Why do I feel like mean? Why do I feel like lower vibrational? It's because I'm literally mean mugging it, or a resting bitch face, which debatable, people have their own opinions, but I can tell you that my resting bitch face is a defense mechanism. I turn it on, and I feel like I've done it over and over again, where I just kind of live in that I look miserable state, I come off unapproachable state. And I know that people have their own opinions, but for me, again, I'm recognizing that who I once was and who I guess my future self is someone that's very happy, outgoing, smiley, a bubbly, life of a party, can be a little bit sassy, but because I have awareness, and you need to have self-awareness too, bitch, that like, I don't like how I feel when I'm mean mugging it. Also, I can tell you that my mean mugging it or resting bitch face, it was a defense mechanism. If I look like unapproachable, if I come off unapproachable, nobody will talk to me, which means nobody will judge me. Nobody will think bad things about me. No one will have anything to say about me being a cocksucker, a cock smoker. You know what I mean? Like, so like my like resting bitch face was a total defense mechanism, and because I felt like I had to keep putting that on, and now it became my habitual kind of like unapproachable bitchy look, you know. And again, for me, that doesn't really resonate with my soul. It wasn't who I was, and wasn't really who I remember myself as a child to be. And it's definitely not who my future self is. Like, my future self is so smiley and happy and easy to talk to, and has very good energy. And this video is just really going in circles. But also another really important point that I want to get across is discipline. You need to be, we were so committed, bitch, to those limiting beliefs. Like I said, negative stories. I can't do this, I can't have this, blah, blah. It's time for us to have discipline and be more fucking loyal to the empowering stories. You know, as far as we fucking know it, this is our one fucking life. So we need to treat it with fucking like care and magic, like it's motherfucking gold, because it is. There is no more moments to waste, you know. Meaning, like, not meaning to like never rest, but like in my opinion, I feel like we don't have moments to dwell on the negative thoughts. You know, if you think a negative thought, move on. Don't be like, oh my God, I ruined everything. Just think of it as like a cloud. That's like a meditation practice, self-awareness practice, present moment practice that I have. If I get a negative thought, I'm seeing it as a cloud drift on by. It means nothing, because I know that any negative thought that I have isn't true, because I came from a source of unconditional fucking love, point blank, period. But then I go back to saying the new story. And right now, I am affirming out of the wazoo, out of my ass. Yes, I am. I'm speaking out loud because I'm recognizing that there's a little bit too many. I don't want to place any limitations onto you, but I don't want to lie. So, right now in me, I'm realizing that robotic affirming is kind of like giving me anxiety just because I have anxiety. Overthinking is what causes me anxiety. Overthinking is what cripples me. So, like, by me thinking, I don't know, it just gives me a little bit of like vibes. Lately, what I've been doing is I've been basically robotic affirming, but under my breath. So I'll do this like literally all throughout the day. If there's people involved, like if I'm in the kitchen, my grandma's in there, or if I'm working and there's customers, then I'll like go in my head. I'm not gonna like just be a nuisance, obviously, and just make it look like I'm crazy. But if I'm alone, like I'm speaking my dream life out fucking loud. And to me, it just feels more powerful to me. Like I feel like I believe it more. I'm not telling you to do this. I'm just telling you what I'm personally doing now and what I kind of feel more like, ooh, like I feel the identity like straighten up my back. Like, ooh, I feel that's who I am. Yes, it is. Ooh, like I get that surge of confidence. I feel my ass pucker. We need to have discipline. So right now I'm not controlling my thoughts in the sense of like no negative thought. Like because I don't believe that. I think sometimes we're going to have a negative thought pass by a few times a day or maybe more, but it definitely dwindles the more you kind of get a control of your identity, the more you don't judge, the more you come back and say, you know what, in each and every moment, I'm a brand new person. That thought meant nothing. You don't have to judge it. You don't have to harbor on it, but you choose who you are to be in each and every new moment that you become aware. Also, like, I think we need to stop with love and respect. I think we need to stop holding so much weight, myself included, obviously, to our traumas and our failures and our setbacks. Let's think about it. Our traumas or failures, they didn't really have a direct it didn't happen because of us. I wasn't bullied and abused and hit and stuff like that for being gay because God actually hates gay people. That was the person that did that to me. That was their own internal fucking bullshit. So our traumas, even though they greatly impacted us, it's just like, can we move on now? Can we forget? It had nothing to do with us. It had nothing to do with us. And I don't say forget and forgive and let the people who hurt you back into your life. That's not what I mean, but I mean for you. You know what? I need to stop. From this moment on, I'm choosing to be the hottest, iconic, most unhinged, failed version of myself. The version of me that's living wildly, living freely, getting my fucking dream, getting my bag. I don't care how big it looks to other people. I'm getting what the fuck I want. And you just keep basically looking nowhere but forward. Past was shit. We can recognize that. Now we're done. We're crumbling it. We're burning the past. We're not thinking about it ever again because it's not serving us anymore. It's not serving us anymore. You can use it to connect to people and help people, but I mean, don't basically embody your past. Don't feel chained to the past. Don't live as that past version of you anymore, baby. Your life's on good mode. Your life's on easy mode. Your life's on magic mode. Your life's on God mode. Period. You're worthy. You're beautiful. You're sexy. You're desired. You're wanted. You're chosen. Everything is working out for you. For you. Discipline, perspective shifts need to fucking happen. This video was meant to rip you a new fucking asshole. Okay, your past doesn't exist anymore. Burn that shit to the motherfucking ground. Okay, I need you to have discipline with changing your perspectives, changing your mindset, putting the thoughts, choosing to put iconic thoughts into your fucking mind and into your brain. This is your one fucking life, bitch. Treat this life with goals, with respect. Treat yourself with respect. Make the most magical, abundant fucking shit happen. And people told you your dreams were impossible. Well, you make them look fucking stupid. I want you to put blinders on, focus on your fucking path, and go get everything they fucking told you couldn't. Why? Because now you're having discipline and staying on top of your motherfucking thoughts. You're not going back to the past. You're remembering who the fuck you are. And that is that on that. Every moment you feel like you messed up, take 3 deep breaths. And remember, new moment has passed. Remembering that I get to choose who I be. No hatred to the negative thought. No judgment to the negative thought. Because it's not every thought that manifests. It's what you think that hardens into belief. Right? And then you get what You manifest what you believe to be true. You manifest your assumptions. You manifest your beliefs. You manifest what you think you are capable of, are worthy of, what you believe to be true, bitch. Not every thought, the repetition turns into the belief, and you get what you believe to be true. Don't. And if you don't believe something, it has no effect on you, right? So don't believe the negative thought. If you don't, how do you not believe the negative thought? It has no effect on you. Don't show it any momentum. Don't show it any, don't show it any fuck, I messed up. No, nothing. You show it nothing because it's false. It's a lie. It has no effect on you, bitch. You're hot and iconic. Remember that and go, nah, I love you.